Hi my friends, today we model the part number 13 spherical fulcrum from my collection of 100 parts. This part is relatively simple, but it has a spherical cut in the middle here. Let's see how to model the part. We start with the standard template, sketch, XY, and now we draw a contour, this contour. Be very careful. Yes, this contour with this point center point, and then we apply offset to obtain the offset contour. Line, keep pressed the left button, keep pressed the left button, keep again pressed, and align, escape. Now I apply coincident here and project geometry for the y-axis, construction, you'll see why. And now we apply symmetry of this to about this axis, symmetry of these two lines about the same axis. You must be careful with this. Select first sketch element, now the end, select the other end, and now also the length of the line is symmetrical. You see, after the first moment when you select the axis, the next ones don't need to select again the axis. Good. Now I place some dimensions. 90, 61 minus 16, radius 12, and after this the extrusion of 70. So 90 dimension, diameter 90, home, radius 12, and the distance between this and this is 61 minus 16, and there is another dimension, 172, end to end 172. Good. Fully constrained. Yes. Now offset of 16 line and another line to connect offsets. Finish sketch, extrude. If I place here a center line, now would be necessary to select both symmetrical surfaces. This is symmetrical, again symmetrical, and 70 is the dimension. Okay, now we look to this cut, yes, which is 61, same center. It has the same center like 90 for a circle of 15 diameter and a cut of 8. The plane is this one. A circle in the center point with the diameter of 15, and now a rectangle with this point is coincident with the circle, but this other one is not. Now it is. Yes, both are on the circle. Project generator, apply collinear between these two, and 8 here, but this is not the final, because now I apply. You see here fully constrained? Yes, you see. Good. Look here. I cut this and I have one dimension needed. What is this missing dimension? Look here. Yes? My solution here is, as always, to make equal these two and not another symmetry or other thing. If you place equal, you are sure that they are symmetrical. Finish sketch, extrude. The only contour, close contour, is that one. So symmetrical all the way, cut. Okay, good, very good. Now we have to apply a spherical cut at 106 in the center with a radius 28. Remember, 28. We use the same plane as the first one, a circle with the diameter radius of 28, placed on the same vertical with the center, and a dimension of 106 from the bottom. This means on this highest point of the contour course. You see where it is. Good. And now I apply a line diameter line but this is not enough because it is not a diameter, so I need to select this point, and now it's fully constrained. Trim one side, and this time I make it a center line. Revolve. What is the contour? What is the axis? Cut. Okay. Good. Now, if we look to the part, we see two channels here. 1, 2. 130, 32, radius 6. This is not necessary. And we go back to the part. We select not that one, this one is visible, and here we choose slot with center. This is the center, this is the length, this is the radius. I use this to place it on the same horizontal. X is on the right, this is horizontal, between this point and the center point of the space, workspace. And now dimensions. This is 6, and the length is 32. The distance between the center, 32. This dimension from here to the center point is half of 130. 130 divided by 2. Okay. Fully constrained. Finish sketch, extrude, cut this profile all the way. Okay. Yes. And now mirror this feature, this last feature, and the mirror plane is this one. You see the future channel. Okay. The last thing is radius 4 for a fillet, external fillet. 4 to all these 4 corners. The part is done. Let's apply again steel carbon and our beautiful gunmetal antique with this face, spherical face, these 2, 3, 4, 5 surfaces as titanium polished. Now it's done. Yes, very nice. What is the part data? The part data is here. Yes, 2.5 kilos. Close. That's all for today. Bye bye.